Woodworking just got a whole lot easier. Today, we're looking at 12 tools that will change the way you work. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these picks will save you time and take your projects further. Let's get started. Attec Log Splitter. The Attec Log Splitter is a hydraulic log splitter designed for use with ATVs and UTVs, leveraging the vehicle's hydraulic system for power. Known for its portability and efficiency, it offers splitting forces ranging from 10 to 20 tons, depending on the model. It supports both vertical and horizontal splitting and features quick connect couplers for easy attachment to compatible vehicles. These splitters are ideal for remote or off-grid use, eliminating the need for a separate engine. However, they require an ATV or UTV with a hydraulic system and may have slower cycle times compared to standalone gas or electric models. Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This sliding compound miter saw is a high-performance cutting tool designed for precision and versatility in woodworking. It features a powerful 1800W motor paired with a 254mm 60-tooth carbide tip blade, ensuring clean and accurate cuts in natural wood, composites, and plastics. The saw offers compound sliding functionality, allowing for miter cuts and bevel cuts. Its double bevel design and smooth dual sliding bars enhance stability and flexibility, while the laser cut line indicator improves cutting accuracy. Triton TJS001. The Triton TJS001 is a powerful 750W jigsaw designed for high-performance cutting across a range of materials. It features a 3-stage pendulum action for efficient cutting, while dual-axis grips provide enhanced control through both vertical pressure and horizontal direction. The tool maintains a constant speed under load, offering reliable performance even during demanding tasks. Its variable speed can be preset between 800 and 3,000 strokes per minute, allowing users to match speed to material. Convenient tool-free blade changes and a bevel adjustment range of 0 degrees to 45 degrees left or right add to its versatility. Lamello LC P-16. The Lamello LC P-16 is a cutting-edge connector system designed specifically for modern, lightweight panel construction and applications like modular furniture, vehicle interiors, and custom cabinetry. Unlike traditional joinery that requires concealed timber edges and adhesive, the LC P-16 allows for fast, glue-free assembly by anchoring directly into the panel's surface and housing Clamex P-14 or P-10 connectors. This simplifies production with a clean, hidden joint aesthetic and enables quick, reliable assembly using tools like the Zeta P2 or CNC machines. The LC P-16 marks a significant step forward in precision joinery, balancing speed, strength, and sustainability. T1 EPS a quarter-inch router. The T1 EPS a quarter-inch router is a versatile and precise tool powered by a 710W motor, featuring soft start technology to minimize kickback and enhance user control. It comes equipped with both an extended trim base, offering rack and pinion height adjustment, and a plunge base that allows for up to 60 millimeters of plunge depth. Ideal for light-duty jigs and deep or long-reach applications. It supports accurate cutting tasks such as hinge fitting, trenching, and installing intumescent strips. With a maximum cut depth of 37 millimeters, it provides a reliable and efficient solution for detailed woodworking and joinery. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use, while the included dust extraction port helps maintain a cleaner working environment. CRT Portable Benchtop Router Table. The CRT Portable Benchtop Router Table is a durable, high-precision tool designed for both workshop and on-site use. Its robust construction and engineered components ensure consistent, accurate results across a wide range of routing applications. Ideal for panel raising, templating, and batch cutting, it supports joinery tasks such as tongue and groove, scribe, and profile work with ease. The table is well suited for templating curved pieces using bearing-guided cutters and includes a lead-on starter pin for added accuracy. User comfort and safety are prioritized with tall fence locking knobs that feature oversized grips positioned above the fence to prevent knuckle injuries. Trend hole saw sets. Trend hole saw sets are engineered for professional-grade performance, featuring M42 high-speed steel with 8% cobalt alloy teeth. This composition enhances durability and longevity, allowing the hole saws to maintain sharpness and resist heat buildup during prolonged use. They are suitable for cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, melamine-faced chipboard, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, bronze, brass, and plastics. The variable pitch design ensures smooth and fast cutting action, making them ideal for applications such as plumbing, electrical installations, and general construction tasks. Belt and disc sander. The BuckTool belt and disc sander is a powerful, low-maintenance tool designed for fine wood sanding and polishing. It features a 3/4 HP induction motor that provides consistent performance for both small and large sanding tasks. Thanks to its direct drive design, there are no belts or gears to maintain, offering increased efficiency and reduced upkeep. The sander includes a 4x36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, both capable of handling a variety of materials. Its adjustable work table, equipped with a Mitre gauge, can tilt between 0 to 45 degrees and be used with either the belt or disc. The belt itself can be set in a horizontal or vertical position, allowing for added versatility. 10 Variable Speed Drill Press. The 10 Variable Speed Drill Press is equipped with a 6.2 amp induction motor, offering reliable power for a variety of drilling tasks. It has a 10-inch swing and a 2-inch spindle travel, allowing for work on larger materials. The mechanical variable speed can be adjusted anywhere from 530 to 3,100 RPM, with a digital speed readout providing real-time RPM information for precise control. The drill press measures 13.2 by 19.3 by 33.9 inches and weighs 57 pounds, making it a sturdy yet manageable tool for workshops. Cabinet clamp. The Corpus swing, or cabinet clamp, is an indispensable tool for furniture manufacturers and joiners, particularly when assembling cabinets for kitchens, living rooms, or bedrooms. Designed to provide precise alignment and secure clamping during the gluing process, it ensures that edges remain flush and joints are tight, resulting in high-quality finishes. These clamps are available in various lengths to accommodate different cabinet sizes and configurations. The clamp's design typically features an ergonomic wooden handle for comfortable operation, adjustable clamping width facilitated by a magnetic bolt, and specially coated clamping jaws to protect the workpiece. T-type ruler. T-type ruler is a versatile measuring and marking tool designed for precision in woodworking, drafting, and construction. Combining the functions of an angle ruler and a measuring ruler, it allows for accurate angle positioning and measurements, helping to streamline workflow and improve efficiency. Available in both 400mm and 600mm lengths, it accommodates a range of project sizes. Made from durable materials, the ruler is built to withstand demanding workshop environments, and its high-contrast black and silver markings ensure easy readability, reducing the risk of errors. This tool is valuable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking precise and consistent results. BigCal Woodworking Calipers. BigCal woodworking calipers from woodpeckers are precision tools specifically designed to deliver piston fit accuracy for woodworking tasks. Unlike standard metalworking calipers that typically max out at 6 inches and are geared toward extremely fine measurements, BigCal offers a larger scale suited for furniture-sized projects while still maintaining machinist-level accuracy. These calipers are ideal for taking both inside and outside dimensions with precision, making them especially useful for joinery and tasks where exact fits are critical. BigCal bridges the gap between high-precision measurement and the scale required for woodworking applications. That's it. 12 woodworking tools worth adding to your shop. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and keep building.